أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري. We start question number 3 of exercise 1.1. Question number 3 is solve the following equation. Solve the following equation by completing square. By completing square. Now, the first part of this question, first part is 7x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, you understand step by step of this question. The first step is we divide the equation by 7. Now 7 is the coefficient of x square. If the coefficient of x square is greater than 1, if is 1, no, you write the against if there is a coefficient of x square is greater than 1, it means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and goes on, then you will divide the whole equation by the coefficient of x square. Now here coefficient of square is 7, we divide the equation by 7. Now we write here 7x square over 7 plus 2 over 7x minus 1 over 7 is equal to 0. Now this 7 will cancel, you have only x square plus 2 over 7 x. Now this will go on the right side, this is 1 over 7. Now we want to add the square of some number on the both side, and what will the method? Now we write here multiplying the coefficient of x with 1 by 2. It means in every question, when the question is completing the square, then we multiply 1 by 2 with the coefficient of this x square. Now here the coefficient of x is 2 by 7 and multiply by 1 by 2. Now is equal to 2 by 14, and we simplify this. 2 1s are 2 7s are is equal to 1 over 7. It means the next step is we add the square of 1 by 7, this 1 by 7 on both side we get. Now here x square and plus 2 by 7x and is equal to plus 1 over 7 ka whole square and is equal to 1 over 7, and again we write here 1 over 7 ka whole square. Now we write this equation is equal to this in this type: x square plus this plus 2 into this 2 into plus over 7x plus 1 over 7 x ka square, 1 over 7 the square is equal to, again we write this because we want to understand the how we solve this question. Now it is a square of x plus 1 over 7 whole square, this, and is equal to this 1 over 7 plus 1 square 1 and 7 square 1, only 49. Now we add this on the next page. We write again the question is x plus 1 over 7 ka whole square is equal to 1 over 7 plus 1 over 49. Now we have the LCM here 49. 7 7s are 49, 7 multiplied by 1 we get 7 plus this In 49 divided by 49, 1, we get 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. We had here 8 by this 7 plus 1, 8 by 49 is equal to x plus 1 over 7 ka whole square. Again here x plus 1 over 7 ka whole square. Now by taking square root on both side we get. Now this is our square root, and x plus 1 over 7 square is equal to this square, and right here plus minus 8 over 49. This is equal to, again this square will cancel this, you have only x plus 1 over 7 is equal to plus minus. Now we write the square of this is 49 7, write it separately 9, and we write here 8, this 8. In the next step again write here x plus 1 over 7 is equal to plus minus this 8, we write this 8, 4 to that and 4 under root is equal to 2. Now we write 2 under root 2, this, and over 7. Now again next step will be this 1 over 7 will go on the right side, it will become negative. Here x is equal to minus 1 over 7 plus minus 2 under root 2 over 7 is equal to 7 is LCM. We write this minus 1 plus minus 2 under root 7 under root 2, 2 under root 2 is x is equal to. Now it is the solution of this. Again you write this, see here this 8 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2, and 4 square root of 2 we write this here, and under root 2 because we not find the square of under root of this 2, we write again under root 2. Now this is the solution of, we write in solution set minus 1 plus minus 2 under root 2 over 7 is the solution set of this question. Now we start the second part of this question. Second part of this question is a, right here the second part of ax square and plus 4x minus a is equal to 0. Now we solve this. This minus a, first step of this constant term will go on the right side. Right here ax square, first step 4x is equal to a. Now this a will go on the right side. Now here the coefficient of x square is equal to a, this a, we divide whole equation by a, we write here only x square because a will cancel a, and plus 4 over a x is equal to a over a, again x square plus 4 over a x is equal to 1. Now a divided by a is equal to 1. Now we add this, the what we add on the both sides, square on the both side, we write here the coefficient of x is 4 over a, and multiply by 1 by 2 is equal to 4 over 2a. This 4 over a, the coefficient of x, multiply in every step, in every question you will do this same step. 4 over a multiply by 1 over 2, 4 over 2a. Now you have the cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Now you two have 2 over a. Now adding and subtracting, adding and subtracting. Adding the square of 2 over a square on both side, this both side we get. Now here x square plus 4 over a x plus 2 over a square, now we write square, is equal to, on the right side we have only 1 plus 2 over a whole square, this is equal to, again we write this, it is the square of x plus 2 over a, and right square is equal to 1 plus 4 over a square. Now write again. This is the LCM of a square. We write here 1 divided by 1 a square multiplied by 1 a square. Now plus a square divided by a square is 1 multiplied by 4, this 4. Now again x plus 2 over a whole square is equal to this. Now we taking square root on the both side. We write here this x plus 2 over a square is equal to plus minus this a square plus 4 over a square. Now we go on next page and solve the question. Now write the same step on this x plus 2 over a square is equal to again under root plus minus a square plus 4 over a square. Now the next step will be this square will be cancelled this, or you have only x plus 2 on the left side is equal to. Now plus minus again this a square, square root of a square is only a, we write here separately a, only we write there is no square root of this, we write same as like this, a square plus 4. Now next step, this 2 over a will go on the left side, right side sorry, x is equal to minus 2 over a and plus minus under root a square plus 4 over a, or you take this a is LCM of this and write the same write here minus 2 and plus minus under root a square plus 4. Now it is the solution of the set of this question. We write here in solution set as says here minus 2 plus minus under root a square plus 4 over a. Now it is the solution set of this question. Now we write the third part of this question. The third part of this question is 11. This 11x square minus 34x and also plus 3. Now our third part of this question is 11x square minus 34x and plus 3 is equal to 0. The first step is the same. We divide the coefficient of x square on the whole side. First we take this on the right side, 11x square minus 34x and is equal to minus 3. Now the second step is you divide this 11 throughout on the both side of this. When divide this, we write here x square minus 34 over 11x is equal to minus 3 over 11. Now again I write what we will add the square of a number on both sides. Now we write this 34 over minus 34 over 11 multiplied by 1 by 2. The same step. You will do the same step in every question when the question is solved by the quadratic equation by computing square. So you write here 2 1s are 2 17s are 14 34. You write here minus 17 over 11. Not this need here. You adding 17 and 11 whole square on both sides. We get this. Now we write here x square minus 34 over 11x plus now 17 over 11 whole square and is equal to, first you have only the side minus 3 over 11 plus 17 over 11 whole square. Now this is equal to, we write this equations like this in square form. X, and here minus, you write here minus 17 over 11 whole square is equal to this, is equal to, you write minus 3 over 11 and plus. Now 17 multiplied by 17, we want to find the square 17. 17 multiplied by 17, you have 289. 17 square 289 and 11 square 121. Now we write the same as this. X minus 17 over 11 square is equal to, now we have the LCM of 121, this 121. 11 divided by this, we get 11. 11 multiplied by 3 minus 33 you have, and 121 divided by 121 you have 289. Now again, x minus 17 over 11 x square, this is equal to, you take minus 33, this 33 is equal to 256. Now 256 over 121. Now by taking square root on both sides, we write here this x minus 17 over 11 whole square is equal to plus minus under root this 256 over 121 is equal to this will cancel this, you have only x minus 17 over 11 is equal to 11. 121 square root is 11 and 14, and now this 14 and 16, now 16. 256, we take the square root of this, we write here 16. Now we go on the next page and solve this remaining question. The remaining question is equal to x minus 17 over 11 is equal to 16 plus minus 16 over 11. This we write again this plus minus. Now we take this side on the left side, right side. X is equal to 17 over 11 and plus minus 16 over 11. Now we add this. X is equal to either x, we have 11 is denominator LCM, we write here 17 plus minus 16. Now we write here either we take one side plus 17 plus 16 over 11 is equal to 33 over 11 is equal to 3. Now 17 minus 16 over 11 is equal to 16, and 17 1 over 11. Now 1 over 11. The solution set is 1 over 11 and 3 only. Now this is the solution set of this question. Now this is the solution set of this question. Now we write the fourth part of this question. Now the fourth part is this. This is the fourth part, and Lx square plus mx and plus n is equal to 0. Now first step is again same. We divide whole equation by L. We get here x square plus m over L x plus n over L. Now in the next step, this portion will go on the right side because it is constant. We take this constant in the first step. We now I will take this on the left side, right side. X square plus m over L x is equal to minus n over L. This will go on this constant will go on the right side. Now what we add? Adding this, we add the square of. Now we write here this is the coefficient of x. We write here m over L multiplied by 1 by 2 is equal to m over 2l. Now we add the square of this on both sides, adding by adding m over 2l whole square on both sides, on the both sides of the equation. Now we write this x square plus m over l and plus m over 2l whole square, this, and is equal to we have on this side minus n over l plus m over 2l square. Now write this on the left side. We see this, we get the square x plus m over 2l whole square is equal to minus n over l plus m square over 4l square. Now this again we write step x plus m over 2l का square is equal to, now we have the 4l square, the LCM 4l square, l divided by this we get 4l multiplied by n minus 4ln, this again l divided by this and we get 4l, and 4l multiplied by n minus 4ln, or plus this divided by this 1 multiplied by m square. Now we taking square root on the both side, we write in square root for radical form x plus m over 2l का whole square, this is equal to under root plus minus 4ln plus m square, now over 4l square. Now again we write step this, the same step, with this divided by this, this cancel with this root square, and x square plus m over 2l is equal to, now under root of this is 2l, we write separately 1 minus under root plus minus under root. Now this we write front and this will be second term, and m square minus 4ln and over 2l. Now square root of 4l square is 2l. Now again the next step of, we'll go on the next page and we write this, and x is equal to this x plus 2m over 2l is equal to this, and we write again this step on the next page, x plus m over 2l is equal to plus minus m square minus 4ln over 2l. Now this term will go on the right side here plus, when go on the right side it will be negative. X is equal to minus m over 2l plus minus this m square minus 4ln over 2l, this 2l. Now we take this 2l is the LCM, same denominator we add the numerator 2l, I will write this 2l divided by this 1 and 1 m multiplied by m, we get minus m, plus minus this 2l divided by this we get plus 1, or multiply this whole and you write here m square minus 4ln. Now this is equal to x. Now it is the solution of our this equation. Write here solution set is equal to, write in brackets, is equal to minus m plus minus m square minus 4ln over 2l. Now this is the solution set of this equation. Now this is our fifth part of this question. Now we write the fifth part. Now the fifth part of this question is this. Now fifth part of this question, this is the fifth part, we write here 3x square plus 7x is equal to 0. Now here is no constant term. The first step is the coefficient of x square is 3. We divide whole equation by 3, the coefficient of 3. If divided by 3, we get here x square plus 7 over 3 x is equal to 0. Now what we add the square of on both sides. To write this is the coefficient of x, we write here 7 over 3 is the coefficient. We multiply by 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 6. This is the coefficient of x, 7 by 3, multiply 1 by 2. This procedure will do in every question. We multiply the coefficient of x multiply by 1 by 2, and when answer is this square of this we will add on the both sides. Now by adding the square of 7 by 6 on both sides we get now x square plus 7 by 3 x plus 7 by 6 whole square and is equal to also on the right side 7 by 6 whole square. Now it will become the square of x plus this plus 7 by 6 whole square is equal to 49 over 36. 7 square 49 and 6 square 36. Now 36. This 36. Now we're taking the square root on the both sides. We write here this and write x plus 7 by 6 square is equal to under root 49 over 36, and we get again plus minus this under root of 49 is 7, under root of 36 is 6. Now again this 2 will cancel this, you have only on the left side x plus 7 by 6. Now 7 by 6 will go on the right side, or x is equal to minus 7 by 6 and plus minus 7 by 6. We take as a plus then negative. We write here if x is equal to minus 7 by 6 and plus 7 by 6, you add the same different sign but same number, we get 0. This, and we write here x is equal to same 7 by 6 and minus 7 by 6, you have only minus 2 is 6 here, minus 7 and minus 7, this will go on the next page, and is equal to x is equal to minus 14 over 6 and 2 3s are this 3 and 2 7s are minus 7 by 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Now we have this x is equal to minus 7 by 3. Now we have the answer. This solution set is equal to now 3 minus 7 by 3 and 0. This 0. Now this is the solution set of the question part number 5. The part number this 5. Now question number 6 part. We solve the question number 6 part. This question number 6 we write here x square minus 2x minus 195 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 2x minus 195. Now we solve this question and we write here again this. Now this is minus 195, this is here the coefficient of x square 1. This term will go on the right side. We write here x square minus 2x is equal to 195. Now we have the coefficient of x is minus 2 and multiply by 1 by 2, only not minus, we only take the coefficient 2 multiply 2 1 by 2, this that we 1. It means we add the square of 1 on both sides. Adding the square of 1 on both sides, and we get x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 195 and plus 1. We have here x minus 1 ka whole square. This is the square of x minus 1 is equal to 196. Now we take square root of both sides. X minus 1 whole square is equal to plus minus 196, and we get here this square will cancel this. You have only left side. X minus 1 is equal to plus minus 14. This is the square of 14, and we write here x is equal to plus 1 plus minus 14. Now we'll go on the next page and solve the question. Is this now x is equal to 1 plus minus 14. Now we write x as a plus 1 plus 14 is equal to 15, and x is equal to 1 minus 14 is equal to minus 13. Now the solution set is equal to, we have minus 13 and 15. Now it is the solution set of this part.